the 31st of July, the USA conducted a drone strike on 9/11 co-mastermind Ayman Al-Zawahiri. The missile hit his safe house in Kabul, the capital of Afghanistan. After bin Laden was killed 10 years ago, Al-Zawahiri took over leadership of Al-Qaeda and evaded the CIA till now. He was standing on the roof of his house. These images were taken soon after the mission. Notice the lack of smoke or explosion. The house was built in 2010. It is 540 square meters on 4 stories. The entrance is off a secluded lane. Next to it is an open space, and nearby is Omid High School. This part of the city is called Shapur, which is a wealthy area where the Taliban leadership likes to live and is nearby Embassies in the Green Zone. A drone high above Kabul fired 2 missiles. The missiles hit the roof terrace where the leader of Al-Qaeda stood as part of his regular morning routine. The 50-kilogram missile does not explode and instead relies on its inertia to kill only the targeted individual. 6 cutting blades pop out just before impact and shred the target without any blast effect. The missile killed only Al-Zawahiri. His family survived. Holes were punctured in the concrete slab from the missiles. 2 days after the strike, President Biden officially announced the death of Al-Zawahiri. The Taliban quickly closed off the area and relocated his family away from the house. The house was owned by a Taliban leader. 21 years after 9/11, its 2 main planners have finally both been killed for their actions. If you've enjoyed this video, check out some of my other content, and thanks for watching.